Friends, hello everyone. Nice to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can easily unlock your profile picture in WhatsApp from some contacts. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, make sure to put your likes, and also write comments after watching the video. So let's go ahead and get into this topic. And open the WhatsApp application on your phone, and then go to the settings section. Next, you will need to select privacy here, and then profile photo. And here you will be able to choose who will see your profile picture. As you can see, the default setting is that absolutely everyone can see it. But you can, for example, if you want to hide your profile picture from some unauthorized people, you can select only my contacts. That way, only the people who are in your contacts will see your picture. If you want to hide your profile picture from some of your contacts, then select the following option and select here those from whom you would like to hide your profile picture. Then click Ready. This way, you will select the people who will not be able to see your profile picture. This is how it is, friends. You can quickly and very easily hide your profile picture in WhatsApp from some contacts. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please put likes, friends. Also write comments and forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.